right, values that make an inequality true. This is multiple choice. It's on Delta Math. You are going to want a calculator, so I've pulled up my TI-84 plus CE over here. You will need to solve the inequalities to see which one makes it true. So which inequality is true when the value of S is 7? So I'm going to start with this first one. Notice there is a negative, and anytime I replace a letter with a number, I'm going to put it in parentheses. So I'm going to put my negative, parentheses, 7, close parentheses, minus 5. Now, I've entered everything on the left of the first inequality over here. I'm going to hit enter, and that tells me that that adds up to negative 12. Is negative 12 greater than or equal to negative 1.5? No, it's actually less than negative 1.5. So we're going to try the next one. I guess we'll go down to negative S minus 5 is less than or equal to 1.5. So I put in my negative, which I think is what we just did, parentheses, 7, because we're saying when S is 7, and then minus 5, enter, because we want everything that's on the left of the equation, so it is negative 12. Is negative 12 less than or equal to 1.5? It is less than or equal to 1.5. I do want to take a look at my other answers. This one would be less than or equal to 1.5, but that would be 7 minus 5, which is 2, so it would not be. So I'm confident that that's the choice. If I needed to, I would work them all out to make sure. Yes, I'm going to submit. We got it right. If you get it wrong, take the time to look at this and see what happened. So this work page shows every one of them and shows how they get worked out. So make sure to use that. Okay, next problem. One more, and then you guys can do it. All right. So which inequality is true when the value of u is negative 17? So I'm going to go to my first one. Negative u minus 4.5 is less than 8. So I'm going to go to my calculator. Whenever I remove or replace a letter with a number, I put it in parentheses. So that negative it's negative u. So I'm going to put my negative, parentheses, whatever my u is negative 17. Close my parentheses, and then minus 4.5. Enter. So that's a positive 12.5. Is positive 12.5 less than 8? No, it is not. All right. So we can try the next one, but I know it's the exact same. It would be negative 17 minus 4.5 would give me 12.5. So here is 12.5 less than negative 8. It is not. So let's go to the next one on top. U minus 4.5. So that, let's try it. Negative 17. Oops, sorry, hold on. We got to put our parentheses. So parenthesis, negative 17. Close parenthesis. And then minus 4.5. Enter. Negative 21.5. Is negative 21.5 greater than negative 8? No, it's not. Go on to the next problem. This one is a negative u, so negative, parentheses, negative 17, close parentheses, minus 4.5. Enter. 12.5. So is 12.5 greater than 8? It is, in fact, greater than 8. So that is going to be our answer. All right. So what you're doing is you're replacing the letter with the value it tells you and finding which one is true when you work it out. This page will show you any mistake you may have made. If you need to write a note that this symbol here is greater than and this one is less than, then make that note. If you need to look it up, look it up. All right, you got this. Email me if you need me.